From day one.
As an 8th grader, I was able to take my love for science and medicine and travel with Cabrini to the statewide HOSA convention, where I earned first place in my division.
As an 8th grader, I was able to dance in the varsity dance team and perform in all 4 competition teams, taking home top awards for Cabrini Eclipse.
As an 8th grader, I starred in the spring musical, The Addams Family. I received the same professional training as upperclassmen.
As an 8th grader, I was able to start on the varsity softball team and lead my team to victory.
As an 8th grader, I was able to serve as a leader on the campus ministry team and help plan retreats, masses, faith-based activities, and morning prayer.
As an 8th grader, I was able to be a flyer for the varsity cheer team and go to national competitions and take home multiple top awards.
Hi, I'm Stormy, 8th grade class president. And here at Cabrini, 8th graders don't have to wait to lead, to shine, or to represent Cabrini High School. We lead from day one.
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 Cabrini High School, it will change your life. Join us for Open House October 2nd. Register today at CabriniHigh.com.